Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you all doing? This is LawyerTAJ here. You're welcome to our Sunday crypto education series where we show you business opportunity in cryptocurrency trading using the RoyalQ app. Once again, my name is LawyerTAJ. I am a lawyer by profession, a cryptocurrency trader, an investment portfolio manager, a network marketing professional, and an inspirational or motivational speaker. I'm here today to present to you the opportunity which we know as Royal Q. You would agree with me from anywhere you are joining me in the world that things are hard. So when I was in Nigeria and prices were going up, I said, Nigeria hard. But when I came to Ghana and I saw that what we used to buy for one CD is now 10 CDs, I said, no, GH means Ghana hard. Ghana is even harder than Nigeria, I'm telling you. And so I noticed that this is a worldwide situation. If you ask those in the UK, that's what they're going to tell you. If you even ask Mommy T, the one in Dubai, she'll tell you that Dubai is not easy. It's very expensive. Abi Mommy T, is Dubai cheap or is expensive?
Yes, lawyer Taj, especially accommodation, apartment is really expensive. For every other thing, it's pretty okay.
Good. And I'll tell you, one of the reasons why she's able to say that is because Mommy T is one of those people that have been shopping crypto money. She has made some good money from this RoyalQ trading herself. She has wonderful strategies. She has learned so much on the business and she's booming. Thank you very much for your consistency. Even though you're a member, you always show up for meetings and does not go unnoticed. Yes, and so because of the difficulty in what we're having all over the world, people are looking for opportunities where the money is going to work for them, where they can't be earning streams of income from anywhere. For those of us in Nigeria, we know how important it is or how much the USD is today. But the USDT is a little more higher than the USD. Why? Because it is a stable cryptocurrency, a stable coin. And so the opportunity I'm here to show you today is that one which enables you to earn anywhere you are in the world, even from the comfort of your smartphone. So allow me to share my screen immediately. Or before I share my screen, I just want to do something different that I haven't done before, which is playing a video that explains this opportunity. And so I just want to use this opportunity for us to just spend 5 minutes. The video is 5 minutes. Let us try to listen to it, and then I'll pick it up from there. 5 minutes. Let me try to make the screen okay. So I'm going to stop my video so that we can make good use of it. Right, so just for 4 minutes, 35 seconds, let's listen to what we have on here.
What is RoyalQ, therefore? RoyalQ is a
Yes, RoyalQ is a blockchain miracle. I'm sorry for the volume of that video. I don't know why I still cannot get it really well, the way it comes out. But please, if you can see my screen, just type the letter A. Sorry, the letter one. If you can see my screen, just type 1. The first 5 answers, and then I begin. Awesome. Thank you very much for that. Right, so today we are going to present to you the RoyalQ crypto trading opportunity with artificial intelligence bot, a system that works for you easily, even hands-free, and then you can use your time to learn how it works. And so before we go on to RoyalQ with crypto trading, we need to create a foundation on what it really is. And the foundation begins from the word cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? It's simple. Without wasting much time, we'll go straight to the answer. Cryptocurrency is the current stage in the evolution of money. It means that money has evolved over time from the different processes that you can see right on your screen. The first form of financial human transactions that we know is through the trade by barter system. And from then on, we had gold, and then we had metal coins. By that, we mean gold, silver, bronze, diamond, precious metal, sapphire, and all those things that were used as a means of payment in those days. And then the banking system began. When the banks began, they said, bring all your money for safekeeping. We'll keep it safe and give you a receipt of payment. And so when you go to anyone, you give them that receipt of payment, they come to us to the bank, and then we give them the value of gold for which this is for. And then when they saw that the gold was not sustainable in 1971, by stripping off the gold standard, President Richard Nixon brought about the creation of money without the gold. And from then on, we had paper money. And from then on, the word inflation began because the irregular printing of money by these countries cannot really be recognized, or cannot really be something you can really know how they do it with the times. Nobody knows when their country prints money. The country does not announce it. And this printing of money is what increases what we know as inflation. Paper money wasn't good enough to take care of all our financial systems. And then there was plastic cards, the use of debit and credit cards. Not only then, we have electronic money, the system where you can send money to anyone through the smartphone using electronic means. Here in Ghana, we use Momo, we have Settle Cash, all the different Airtel Tigo, they have mobile money system where you can transfer money. We don't really carry on cash here in Ghana. We use it without holding cash. M-Pesa in Kenya is another way that electronic money works. And then electronic money was not enough. In 2008, we saw the Great Recession, the fall of Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae, the destruction of the little confidence that we humans had in the financial system, where we saw a breakdown of the financial system due to mismanagement by institutions. And then in 2008, somebody called something, said, you know what, let us create a system where money can flow between Mr. A and Mr. B without any interference, without any third party. And that's how in 2008, the first white paper was created for cryptocurrency. And then Satoshi Nakamoto is the first person who created the Bitcoin white paper. That Satoshi Nakamoto is a pseudonym. We don't know if he's male or female or a group of people. But HBO is bringing up a new presentation, I think by Tuesday, which they say that they have found the owner of Bitcoin. But let's see how it goes. Watch out on Tuesday for that enlightening HBO piece on the foundation of Bitcoin. So how does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is a child of the blockchain. It's a child of the blockchain technology. And what is the blockchain technology? It is that underlying technology that created cryptocurrency. It is a brainchild of the blockchain technology. I'm talking about Bitcoin. And blockchain technology, just like any other technology, is created in a system where it works on its own. So the first question you ask is, what is this blockchain technology? Like we were taught in our kindergarten school, and if you are trying to decipher the meaning of a word, break it down to its lowest form. Block, chain, is blocks, chained. Transactions are created in blocks and chained together. So they cannot be eradicated, they cannot be edited, they cannot be destroyed, neither can they be erased. And there you have it, with the blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger where transactions are being stored from different parts of the world in blocks. You have a system that is very, very infallible. A system where if it is being followed all over the world, we're going to see a great change in how we humans do business. Ladies and gentlemen, as we speak to you today, the blockchain technology is being used in different spheres of human endeavor. Talk about mining, talk about printing, talk about music, talk a whole lot of different ways the blockchain is being used today. And so there are two different ways or two different cryptocurrency investment strategies, which we are going to look at today in relation to what we are doing. Actually, we have about three, that is staking, holding, and trading. But here we're dealing on two different types, which is beneficial to all of us. So holding and trading. So in holding, we'll say holding is the ability to buy cryptocurrencies at a lower price and avoid selling them in a bid for bigger gains. So this word is not a mistake. It's actually a cryptocurrency word, which means hold. So hold your crypto, hold for dear life. Trading, as we all see, is the juxtaposition of two different currencies within themselves, buying for a higher price value. So in cryptocurrency trading, we'll see the likes of Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ripple, and a whole lot of different cryptocurrencies that are being used today. Now, in form of trading, we need to first of all look at these different traditional ways of trading before going directly into what we know as crypto trading. So let us first look at stock trading or stocks. Stocks is essentially the buying and selling of stocks of publicly traded companies on marketplaces like the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange. And then we have commodity trading, which means buying and selling of commodities like gold, silver, oil, agricultural products on marketplaces like CME and the NYMEX. And then we have bond trading, which is the buying and selling of bonds or debt securities issued by the government or corporations on marketplaces like the US Treasury market and the likes. And so we're going to delve more into just different types of trading. We're going to talk briefly on them. Options trading, we have futures trading, and then we have the notable ones, which are forex trading and then cryptocurrency trading. Different types of trading that we humans do. And so in regards to cryptocurrency trading, there are different areas that you can delve into. We have the futures trading, margin trading, and spot trading. Cryptocurrency exchanges facilitate spot trading, which is a strategy in which traders buy or sell the underlying crypto asset at a current market price, and the transaction is instantly settled. Generally, spot trading in crypto refers to purchasing the token at a low price and selling it at a high price. Please note, you can lose money trading futures and margin trades, but not with spot trading. But with spot trading, all you need is patience and discipline. Co-host, please help me add the people on the waiting room. With spot trading, all you need is patience and discipline in order to grow. Sorry about the volume. I see someone complaining. I think there's something wrong with my headset, so I have to use it speaking directly to the laptop. So apologies once again. So now let us compare the forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. For me, I am of the view that those who trade on the crypto market have the opportunity to earn more than those who trade on the forex market. And I'm going to prove it as we go on. You see, the forex market is a 5 days a week only market. So Mondays to Fridays, that's when the market works. There are no trading on Saturdays and Sundays. But with the cryptocurrency market, the market is 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop. With the forex market, the trading of fiat currencies is done in pairs like USD, GBP, Euro, USD, USD, JPY, and the likes. But in the cryptocurrency market, trading is done in cryptocurrencies, BTC/USDT, Ethereum/BNB, BNB/BTC, and the likes. And in case you don't know, besides Bitcoin, there are over 2,000 plus valid cryptocurrencies that make up the market capitalization of the crypto market. With forex trading, volatility is generally lower, but crypto trading, volatility is high. You can see one coin going to 80%, 90%, even 100% in a day in growth. And so it is these volatility that creates value for the cryptocurrency trader. So with such high volatility, the ability to earn more becomes more open to the crypto trader. The forex market is worth 7.5 trillion USD. That's the worth of the forex market, 7.5 trillion. As I speak to you today, ladies and gentlemen, the crypto market is estimated at over 2.9 trillion and growing rapidly. In fact, it is said that by the end of this bull run, we could have a market that is larger, that is even 2 times larger than the forex market, because we're expecting trillions of dollars to pour into the cryptocurrency market, which will kickstart what we know as the bull run. Market closes your trade in loss when your leverage capital cannot sustain the losses in forex market. While cryptocurrency trading, that is not the case. Your losses are shown in crypto coins in your wallet, and you hold the quantity. It is the value that changes. And so as long as you hold that quantity of coin, you will see a situation where the market reverses and you will begin to earn in profits. And then you can access the forex market through brokers. You access the forex market through brokers. But the cryptocurrency market is accessible via cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bybit, and the likes. Forex trading gives you access to trade the cryptocurrencies, not to own them. There are 7 people in the waiting room. Please, co-host, let me add them in the call. Forex trading gives you access to trade cryptocurrencies. Forex trading gives you the access to trade currencies, not to own them. So you actually just speculate on those currencies. You don't actually own them. So cryptocurrency trading, it gives you ownership of these coins you trade with, which itself is an asset. So while trading, you are actually buying these assets of different coins, because it is these coins that when they increase in value, you will be happy that you started it. There are 2 types of market, ladies and gentlemen, the bearish market and the bullish market. So in the bearish market, we say that there is in existence negative sentiments, expects uptrend to reverse. You have higher volume for lower price. And then you actually have stocks that are low in value as they begin to. But then you have the bullish market. In the bullish market, there's positive sentiments. They expect uptrends to continue and a higher volume with higher price. And also in this case, demand is higher than supply. Demand is higher than supply. So the question that we need to understand is this: does the RoyalQ bot trade in the bearish and the bullish market? The answer is yes. The RoyalQ bot is designed to trade successfully in both bull and bear market. The bot employs various strategies and tools that allows you to adapt to different market conditions. And so, what is this RoyalQ bot? Why is it important to us? And why should you have the bot trading for you? Why?
The RoyalQ bot is an automated cryptocurrency trading bot designed to help users trade digital assets more effectively by leveraging on artificial intelligence and quantitative trading strategies. So in simple words, the RoyalQ bot is an app that you can download on your phone, subscribe to the app, and then you can now connect the app to your exchange. Now, this exchange could be Binance, could be anyone. So that gives you the ability to hold your money 100%. Your money is not with anyone in the system. Your money stays with you. Yeah, so it is this RoyalQ app, which we'll call the bot, that after integration, you can use to trade on the cryptocurrency market, all the while with your money being with you. Gone are the days when we give our money to a so-called company to trade. So what are the advantages of trading with the RoyalQ bot? You have an automated trading system, which works 24/7, 24 hours of the day, 7 days a week. And then you also have the fact that it is integrated with your exchange, which gives it maximum security because you have access to your funds and the bot does not have the ability to withdraw your money. Strategy customization. You can use predefined strategies here, and that's how we use the top gainer strategy, TGS, which we use in trading on the markets, and that helps us in getting profits. There's also diversification where you can trade in more than one coin, and then it is user friendly because not only does it have a mobile app, it also has a desktop, a browser. You can log into royalqs.com. That's the website. And then real-time market analysis. The RoyalQ has made it easy for us that they have indicators that kind of shows us where the market is going and whether it's a good time to buy or not. As we continue this meeting, you will be seeing a perfect example of when we say they have real-time analysis on the system. Co-host, please help me add the people on the call. And so another thing that we need to look at, very important, is this. How does the RoyalQ bot trade in a bearish market? So they use a system which we know as dollar cost averaging. So with the dollar cost averaging system, during a bear market, the bot can use DCA to buy assets at different price points. So it therefore means that when you place a trade and the trade is not going to your benefit and is falling down or the price is crashing, what happens is that the bot automatically at different points does what is called margin call. So margin call is simply using those USDT in your spot wallet to buy the dip of those coins. So eventually when the market is reversing, you will be having, if you're expecting a $10 profit, you will be seeing something like 40 or 50. Why? Because the bot has bought the dip during that time. And this is what is known as dollar cost averaging, which is basically investing smaller amounts regularly, giving less stress for the investors and giving it more ability to earn even in a turbulent market. So the RoyalQ uses the DCA system when the market is falling. Now, here are some awesome features by the RoyalQ company because they know that we are traders and we need as much help as we can. This barometer was created showing the conclusion of analysis of millions of data, which helps us know when to buy a coin or when not to buy a coin. And so for trading, for trading purposes, we have the opportunity to see the barometer at any point in time, which helps give us an informed decision on when to buy or not. So what do I need to use my RoyalQ bot for trading? How? What do I need to start trading? All you need is a verified exchange account, either with Binance, KuCoin, Bybit. But like we said, in this system, there is no third party. There is no broker. You are your own broker. You have the RoyalQ app that helps you assess and place those trades in the market. You are your own broker also. So we do not give monies to no one on this system. And then besides having a verified crypto exchange account, you also you need to have a registered email, which you use to register. And then 120 USDT, which you use to subscribe or rent the bot for 1 year, which is 12 months. So 120 USDT will cover you for 1 year, which is invariably some 12, right? Some $10 every month for the next 12 months. And then you need to have some like 20 to 50 USDT there as your fuel fees. So with this system, I normally say if you have $140, you can begin. Just 140. Whatever you want to use as your capital remains with you in your exchange. Please note, all your funds or trading capital is in your exchange platform. You do not send money to the bot. Your money never stays in the bot or anyone to trade for you. Please say no to Ponzi. We know that with the way when the market begins to boom, there will come different types of businesses to say we do this, we do that. We have AI, we have QI, we have WI, we have the ability to give you 5% a day. Please do not fall for that if you are being told to send money to buy a package. We do not give money to anyone. Again, never. We'll do it ourselves because we know the process right now. So what are the different ways to earn with RoyalQ? There are 3 different ways that you can earn. You can earn through trading income. So trading income is the fact that you earn every time the robot sells your coins. So using the martingale strategy system, all we do is buy low and then the bot sells high for us. Another way you can earn is through affiliate income. So you earn a certain amount of money every time you show or share this opportunity with others. And when they come in to become a part of it, then you earn some amount of money in the system. The beauty about this is you are trying your best or you are helping the poverty alleviation that we have in the society today. There are a lot of graduates who do not have a job, who are looking for something to do. A lot of people are dependent on you guys who are abroad to send money for this, send money for that. You can help them get started, put them on RoyalQ, let us teach them how to trade, and let them begin to earn money. They will never forget you for the rest of your life. Like we always say, it is better to teach you how to fish instead of giving you fish. So you also earn team trading profits. So you earn a percentage of profits that the robot generates for your team. So it's a win-win situation when you begin to grow yourself or grow a team in this business, because what you are doing is creating residual income. So besides the fact that you have your money working for you and you are trading, you can also create residual income on here. And what you see on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, is the potential income you stand to earn if you are building a team in RoyalQ. Because as a V2, you can earn between $10 to $50. As a V3, you can earn between $50 to $500 daily. And then as a V4, you can earn between 500 to 1,000. V5 is 1,000 to 4,000 daily. And then the almighty of all is the V6, which gives you the ability to earn between $5,000 to $10,000 daily. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not a farce. It is real. No cap. For those you know who are in these positions, ask them and let them tell you. I am a V2 and I earn between that $10 to $50 every 1 or 2 or 3 days. And for me, it's an opportunity that I love because this time your money is with you. Nobody can complain that they are losing their money. Your money remains in your Binance while you are trading. And anytime you want and say, you know what, I need my money to do this or do that, you can verily close those trades and have access to your money. So there's no other system that gives you 100% access to your money than what we have here with RoyalQ. So how do I get started? Because as I tell you, it is quite easy to get started. Today, you can start trading if you want to. Just get back to whoever invited you to come on this call and say, you know what, I'd like to give these an opportunity. I'd like to get started. I would like to take my financial problems into my hands and create a solution. So after you get back to who invited you, they're going to give you a link to register. When you register, registration is free. You get the bot. You have all the opportunity to go through everything that the bot has to offer. That way, you can then also rent the bot, which means paying for the bot for the usage, add your fuel fees, and then you start trading. Please note, with your trading capital 100% in your position, you have nothing to lose. Because how can you lose something that is 100% in your possession, ladies and gentlemen? So, what are the advantages of trading with RoyalQ? Number one, no data is required to trade. Number two, you trade at your convenience. Set it and forget it. Your capital is 100% in your possession. Your profits go straight to your Binance exchange, not the bot. So there's nothing like, if I want to withdraw, how long does it take? Or how much do I need to have in order to withdraw? No. As you begin to make profits, they go directly to your exchange. Also, you have a system where your kids can inherit your business. This business you can inherit, you can give it to your kids as you continue to grow your business. No skills are required. No degree certificate is needed for you to grow. No certificate is needed for you to trade. Trading is easy with the RoyalQ app. No loss of funds. Patience is the key, as trades must retrace over time. And so, for all of us who know what spot trading means, buying low and selling high, you have the opportunity to hold your coins at its quantity, no matter whether the market is doing good or doing bad. Possession of cryptocurrency for holding purposes. This is another wonderful opportunity because as you continue to trade on the crypto market, you're going to see those coins that are valuable, those coins that have the opportunity to grow, those coins that if you buy low, you can possibly see a lot of profits when the value increases in the bull run. And that's another opportunity that cannot be quantified because you never can tell what's going to happen in the next 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 months with those coins that you are holding. If one do 10x, even 100x, you will understand how powerful it is. And why it is said that in this new era, the fastest way to become a multimillionaire is through cryptocurrency. It's through cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen. Right. So the minimum startup you need is $140. $120 for your bot, which is the activation for 1 year, $20 for your fuel fees. Then any money you have in your Binance, you can start with 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000. Any amount of money you have in your exchange, you can begin trading with it. And so there are a lot of benefits with using this system, but one thing that is clear is that you make profits if you calculate it on a monthly basis. So when I started the business, my first month I made 15%, the other month 38, the other month 39. So in an average of 3 to 4 months, I already made 100% of my capital. And you can do so too, and even more, because we have a system where there are also professionals that can show you how to trade or show you the ropes on how to get better with what you're doing. So you can escape the matrix with just 240, which is 140 your bot and your fuel fees, and at least $100 in your Binance or any exchange of your choice. The key to getting ahead is getting started, ladies and gentlemen. All it takes is for you to get started. You do not need to wait for perfect conditions to get started. Remember, investment is the key. And also, the key to the eradication of poverty is multiple streams of income. I'll say it again. The key to the eradication of poverty is multiple streams of income. In the morning, sow your seed, and at the evening, withhold not your hand, for you do not know which will prosper, this or that, or whether both alike will be good. Invest in foreign investments. This is where you have. And then on the other side of the screen, you see what we know as the top gainer strategy, a simple system which reads thus. Once the price action hits the lower or middle Bollinger Band and the purple line of the KDJ indicator is above the two other lines and facing upwards, then you can create an order to buy. And that's all about the presentation. The benefits of being members of our team is the fact that every Sunday we do this prospects training and prospects meeting where you have the opportunity to bring your friends, family, relation, anyone who you want to take advantage of this opportunity to listen to what we have. And then they can make a decision. Besides that, we also have an active WhatsApp group where we can add them afterwards and then continue to teach them till they're ready. And then every Tuesdays, we have our members training, a time where RoyalQ members come together and say their problems and discuss recommendations and put heads together to know how best to take advantage or make even more profits as we continue to trade. And also feel free to be members of our team because we are here to help you all along the way, ladies and gentlemen. All along the way, we are here to help you. So,
Box here.
Mr. MCW, what is V1, V2 mean? Those are types of ranks in RoyalQ. So when you join RoyalQ as a member, you're automatically a V1. To go to V2, there are some conditions that you need to meet. That means that you are growing a team. But what where you do not need to bring people before you begin to earn. You earn simply because you are trading or you have a system where the trading is being done for you. And then what's the next question? Mommy T, you say you're attending the Forex Expo. All the best for you. Go and bring them in. Yeah, so is there any more questions? Does anyone have any question to ask? So we can handle it because we have 5 minutes more to the close of this wonderful teaching. Does anybody have any
Or something to add?
And I would say that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that RoyalQ is the best weapon you have in the crypto market. And although no matter how bad the market is, no matter how difficult it is, our bot has or always finds a way to earn profits for you. Mr. MCW, that question, how can I get to V4, is what we can handle during our members training. This training is for prospects. We do not want to bedevil anyone with the wonderful compensation plan of RoyalQ. But I assure you, if you come for the meeting on Tuesday, I will be able to explain everything for you easily. Kaleshi, for example, some trade, where's that 300 miles on direct legs? I don't know about that, Valushi. I don't think you're correct. Please, I need, what's that question again? You say, please, I need the presentation slide, Simeon. If you can buzz me at the end of the presentation, I'll send it to you. It's free to everyone. So I believe that we come to the end of the presentation today. I want to thank all 74 of you being on the call today. It's been awesome having you. For those who are not members yet, please try to get set up as early as you can. Try to get set up as early as you can. It will do you good because we're entering into the period which we call the bull run. And in this bull run, there's a lot of opportunities that's going to come. Mr. MCW, I'm not going to answer the question. When you become a member, then you have access to all this information. If you're not a member yet, then don't need to bother yourself about that. Or if you really want to know, then get back to who invited you on this call to know how it works. So once again, as we always do at the end of all our meetings, please feel free to unmute yourself. Say your goodbyes. God bless you. See you on Tuesday as we do our presentation call. And also remember, on Monday, we'll have Professor John SC by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. At that time, we're going to be having teachings by him to help all of us grow.
Goodbye. God bless you.
All right.
Good night,
Goodbye,
sir. Good
Simeon.
night,
God
Lawyer
bless
Taj.
you. Goodbye,
That's a wonderful
God bless
presentation.
you.
Thank you very
God bless
much.
you, Marcel.
Thank
God
you
bless
very
you
much,
for
sir.
coming on the call.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, goodbye.
Good night to everybody.
Good night,
Good
Lazarus
night, sir.
Tomdio. Yes, we're gonna have the call recorded so we can send it afterwards. To those who couldn't hear, I'm sorry. The mic has got some problems, but I'll fix it soon. Thank you all and God bless you.
Good night, everyone.